So apart from other fertility hospitals, in Ferty9 we have in-house embryologist. Is it really necessary, and why do we have in-house embryologists?
That's absolutely important. I learned this from my previous days in India, like 12 years ago right now, because that time there were very few qualified embryologists.
Yeah.
There were some senior embryologists doing freelancing, and it was difficult to have a team, a real team, doing cycles and all the procedures. So we need to design a system in which we can train people and have, as you said, in-house embryologists. It is absolutely important. It's one of the pillars of our company right now. Why? For several reasons. One is because one person is training our system. You are not only just training the hands and the skills about the SOPs, which is obviously important. You are also training the mindset. Yeah. This people is going to think the way you think also, about quality, the importance of quality, having the same goals, having the same kind of treatment for the patients, the same kind of commitment about the results, about the accountability, the whole thing in the laboratory. So mindset is as important as skills for us. This is point number one. Second is that one person who is training in the system again, you can trust this person completely. And we need to trust these people, obviously, because they are going to work with our gametes, with our patients' samples. And we need to have this kind of trust, this kind of confidence in our people also in the company. And if you have a project like this in Ferty9, which we are growing so fast and so much, and we're going to grow a lot during the next years, we need to have people who is ready to assume these kind of responsibilities and to go to another place to teach other people, to train other people. And unless they have the same kind of mindset about the importance of training, the importance of being kind with others, to allow people to also to grow in the system, it's quite difficult to find this otherwise with lateral entries. It's quite difficult.
So can you describe the structure of embryologist in Ferty9 and how are the roles among them are distributed?
Structure, again, is a very important part. Not because of the hierarchy, it's not something rigid and something about just the position and the name in the company. It's because it's the way you can give support to everyone in the system. And we need also that for every single person in the system. It could be a junior embryologist, it could be an andro technician for the andrology procedures, but we need to have some kind of support structure. And that's what we have also in Ferty9. So we have different levels of skills, training, and different positions within the IVF lab. We can have trainee embryologists. We can even have intern embryologists from universities. They are also doing the studies in embryology, and they also do the internship with us also in our system. So they also learn how to do things, and we also have some kind of feedback about how they are doing things, how skilled also they are for our system. We may have also junior embryologists. We can have validated embryologists who are doing everything. We can also have senior embryologists, but then we have always in the laboratories, we have also lab managers, who are those people who are in charge of the laboratory for everything, for the results, for the quality, for the training of people, and even also for the working environment, which is also again part of our culture. So that's something very critical. These lab managers are reporting to a regional manager or a cluster head, or in this case right now, to our vice president in embryology. And this person again is reporting to me. So my role will be finally like coordinating the whole thing, all the laboratories, the whole structure, the culture in the company, and all this expansion in terms of results, in terms of quality, but also in terms of culture for the company.